Hello everyone, my name is Jashanpreet Singh. So today I'm going to making a presentation on the Fairmount Royal York Hotel. So here we start. Firstly, I will describe the staff list of the hotel. So the general manager of the hotel is Edwin Fairwell and the executive general manager is the David Garlison, and moreover the director of marketing and sales is and the Javed Kumar, the director of accounting and business support, and the clink. So the Liquor Arvaz is the manager of reservation department. So now I'm talking about the room division department. Charlotte Borromeo is a housekeeping manager, and Vika Dutt is a front office manager. Kevin De Vida is a uniformed service, and the in the food and beverage department, the executive chef is Robert Ash, and Lakshya Tuli is a banquet as catering supervisor, and many more I have described in the presentation. There are So now I am telling about the history of Fairmount Royal York. The Royal York Hotel turned into now no longer the primary inn to be built at the site. The primary inn to be constructed in 1843, initially called the Ontario Terrace. Since the authentic inn turned into renewed in 1853, the constructing turned into renamed the Warrior Hotel, after which the Overlook Hotel after a switch of position in 1860. So Vinaya Dutt later received MC Ga hobbies of their model, but after Winter demise in 1925, his property offered the Queen Hotels to the Canadian Pacific Railway (CPR) Hotel CPR. Runs through then the President Sir Edward Wentworth Beatty later, Canadian Pacific introduced its goal to demolish the Queen Hotel to construct the biggest within inside the British Commonwealth on its site. The construction became formally opened in 11th June 1929 by the Viscount William Gordon, the Governor General of Canada, in one of the maximum glaring social occasion in Toronto history. And the Toronto Board of Trade hosted a luncheon inside the inn. Feast corridor for E.V. Beatty and the Board of Administrators for the Canadian Pacific Railway. After the luncheon, the Governor General registered because of the first visitor across the inn. The day was completed with a gap ball on 9 p.m. with over 2,300 human beings attending in several presentations, and different tremendous human beings from us in Canada attended the outlet of the inn. So now I'm telling about the architecture of the Fairmount Royal York Hotel in Ontario. So here we start. Shortly after obtaining the Canadian Pacific Hotel Department of the Canadian Pacific Railway introduced its plan to demolish the Queen Hotel to assemble a brand new inn. The homes had been structured by the Canadian architecture company named as Rose and MacDonald in affiliation with the Spoth and Rolf. Both corporations had designed homes for Canadian Pacific Hotel earlier than the Royal York Hotel. Along with the conventional capabilities discovered on maximum categories styled in the construction, additional integrated of Art Deco setback and Robinson inspired decor, the balanced layout of the constructing previous to the addition of the east wing become performed via the software of semi-neoclassicism motifs and corporations of arcaded windows. And the constructing stand 124 meter tall, 407 feet, containing 28 flooring, normally made from visitors' rooms and different in amenities. Constructing completion, it was shot the tallest constructing within inside the British Empire and Canada. The constructing could lose the file and subsequent year with the erection of the nearby Canadian Bank of Commerce Tower of King Street. Work to increase the inn started in 1957 and became finished in 1959. The new east wing growth became designed through the structure company Rose Patterson Townsend as finished in affiliation with Charles B. Dolphin. So that's the end of the architecture of Fairmont Royal York Hotel in Canada. So I add some pictures of Fairmont Royal York Hotel in my project presentation. Moreover, I also add the bibliography as a sources link in my project, and moreover I also add my video link in my project. So this is my project presentation. Thanks.